Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, YouTube videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, it is Saturday afternoon. It's probably about 2 o'clock right now. Just came from a function. Did a TikTok. I'm trying to get back into the game for the summer, so you know. So yes, watching a vlog. We're gonna cook. So this is kind of starting out with a cook with me, kind of Saturday afternoon. So I got some water. I'm actually gonna be doing some yams and not sure what else. So I'm gonna put on the water and then I'm gonna peel the yams. So yeah, let's cook, people. Let's cook. Again, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, and let's get into the video. Right here. Look. Right there. Where you look for me from? Hi vlog. I'm sorry for my vulgarness. Look at her stealing the melon. You're caught red-handed. I'm even taking pictures. And guys, for watching vlogs. We're eating
I'm cotton.
Where my nail storage used to be before I got the new towel drawer. I want to repurpose this and put it in the closet somehow. I may put either my rolls in or my PJs. Hello.
I'm here to go out.
Yeah, me pause video. I mean, I don't know. Good morning, guys. So it is Sunday. Let me shut the window. It's Sunday and I'm already at church. Ooh, this lighting though. I'm letting some breeze because my hat. So yes, guys, how are you guys doing? Well, yeah, Sunday. I think this is gonna probably be, I don't know what kind of vlog, but this is a vlog. We're continuing the vlog. So yeah, we're going to set up for church right now. And then what was that? I don't know. And then church. But don't think I'm a film. So So guys, I'm gonna have get some lunch right now. I'm gonna try out up a fast spring place. See how that go. So yeah, what am I gonna know?
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
While we're here chilling on the veranda. Lighting terrible out here, but so yes guys, the burger combo the burger combo was actually really nice. It was actually also filling. The burger combo came with the burger. It was a jerk burger with fries on the side, and it came with a small Sprite. I didn't even drink the Sprite. I opened it and drank like one mouthful, and I ended up drinking my water instead and gave my sister the juice. But anyways, I mean, why I'm saying this, because my belly was very full after I was finished, and I'm like, it's not like I just soda full it, so it fully. I think I want to go back and try their coffee. My intention actually was buy the coffee. I'm gonna leave my money on my yard, so I'm gonna have enough money to actually buy the coffee. But the lunch was lovely. Next time I go, I'm gonna actually try the frappuccino actually, or the iced coffee, who knows.
Big up Fast Spring for
Fast
all
Springs.
them fast food then.
Una going well.
We're gonna make Kellits fat.
Yes, and I'm going to make Crofton fat summer with the juices. I've stopped for a while, but we're gonna start it back. You know, Shan, isn't it that right?
My sister has become lazy. She don't want to do it.
It's not lazy.
No frappuccino.
I don't got the
And
resources.
milkshake.
I'm not going anywhere to buy anything. I'm sorry.
After me die out for the looking nice,
Sorry.
nice frappuccino them.
I'm sorry, but anyways, I'm learning to do them very nicely. The other day, guys, I made a banana coffee smoothie. One of me show on the vlog one time. Ooh, that is nice. When we talk about nice, nice. Oh, creamy, thick, nice. Yes, it's set up.
Whoever takes care of you.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh.